4th today, and we're actually checking into the Terra Luna Resort tonight because we're going to Universal Epic Universe all day tomorrow, so we're going to make the most of the early entry. So right now we've got a little bag packed. We're going to walk down to Chili's for some lunch, head down to the Terra Luna to check in, and we'll show you the room and some of the hotel.
And I hope we're going to go to Universal tonight.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll go head up on the bus up to Universal tonight to catch the drone show. Let's go. I think the people behind were the owners.
Nah, dog was out cruising on his own. Definitely.
That was mental.
He looked content, didn't he? He looked happy.
Oh, he was happy, yeah. Well,
look at him, I can see him going on the street now in the background.
Somebody drove me round all day long. I wasn't walk anywhere.
Blasted out music as well, like.
Wasn't it Snoop Dogg?
Was it Snoop Dogg? Yeah.
Snoop Dogg, yeah.
That's the way.
Feels like forever since the night we went there. So we're just walking down. Chili's is just down a little bit further down, but on the other side of the road. We're about all in walking distance from the hotel. Kind of need to put sunglasses on, but I'll be bothered to get up my bag.
We're literally next to Chili's.
And we're nearly there, so. If you sign up to the Chili's app, you also get free chips and salsa every time you come. So that's well worth doing because they are really nice. And I think they're like all you can eat. I'm not 100% sure because usually it's too much for us. When they come, I'll show you. But
well, they're coming now.
For a Miller Lite. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Told you they were huge. So, just enough for me, alright. It's a huge menu in here. So, like I said, I can scan through it all, but honestly, like, it's just massive. And they also give you like these with special offers, drinks. They do happy hour on a Monday to Friday, 3 to 6. They have a margarita of the month. I've just moved the sauces over there, but they look banging to be fair. I asked the sauces to be on the side, not tossed in it, because I like the crispy skin. So.
How was the food?
Really good chicken wings. I ordered 12. They were huge. I don't know how big these chickens are, but oh my god, they must be nearly as tall as me because their wings were insane. But they were really nice. The buffalo sauce was really good. It wasn't too hot. But I know, James, you've got a glowing review of the steak.
Oh, best meal about in Florida this holiday.
Best meal he's had. And we've given a really good review as well for the survey, for our survey. So I'm going to see if an Uber or a Lyft is cheaper, and we're going to head over to the Terra Luna Resort. Terra Luna, just walk inside and it looks stunning so far. You can tell it's new.
Smells new.
Yeah.
So, see if we can check in.
We didn't bring bathers with us because we were just here for the one night, so we've got our feet in the hot tub. It's lovely and warm, but it is quite, well, my hair's blowing around. It's quite, actually, not 20 degrees, but it's a bit windy. So we'll wait for you for a little bit, and then hopefully I'll get an email to say the room is ready. The email, our room is ready, 9106, so maybe we'll have a room with a view. Let's find out. Let's go. Let's view SeaWorld.
Oh, we got a window in the corner. Oh, no, we can see the other hotel, can't see Epic. But there's Shingle Creek Golf Club. SeaWorld.
We've got a park view, just a different park.
Mm-hmm.
Room looks nice.
Smells brand new, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells lovely and clean. Do you want to chat to me when I'm in the shower, look? No, thank you. So we booked this room using the annual pass holder discount. I think it was roughly $140, which was cheaper than if you could just book it directly, so I think that was a good deal, because when I looked about 2 weeks before we came out here again to see if I could cancel it and book it for cheaper again, it gone up to about $300 a night, so I think we've got a bargain there. It's a lovely room, nice and clean and fresh and bright.
Happy?
Very. We all checked in, we've had a little bit of a rest for an hour in the room, been watching Indiana Jones on TV. The second one was on and the third one, but we're going now to go and catch the bus downstairs, head up to CityWalk and head into Islands of Adventure for maybe the final ride on Velocicoaster and Hagrid's.
For 4 months.
For a couple of months, yeah. It took us about 15 minutes on the bus to come from Terra Luna. And as you can see, everything's lit up now and it looks lush.
What are we doing first?
Let's go to Islands of Adventure first and see if we can get use of our fast passes.
That's a good shot. We forgot to record and we didn't know. I did get a pepperoni pretzel, a cheese dip and a lemonade. It was $19 originally, and with the annual pass discount it went down to $14, which is really good. Saves you a lot of money if you have got one. So we're just having 2 minutes just to let our pretzel go down, but we've got a really good view of the health here. Let it go now. Been on the Hulk, Velocicoaster. Went to get in the queue for Hagrid's, but we realised it was 8:45. So we've gone to catch the Hogwarts Express now to go to our CineSational. It starts at 9:45. Train's coming! So it take us from Scotland to London, the Jiffy. In about 5 minutes.
Yeah. It is magic, so.
Yeah, in the films, since they can do all this magic and stuff, why do they still catch trains?
Why does it go from London? Do the Scottish students have to go to London to get back to Scotland?
We'll have to ask someone. We'll ask someone now, they're bound to know down here now. We'll ask them. Ask her, look, working here. I'm going to ask her now. What do you think of? Huh? because the man, we put our bags in the lockers and we didn't have our phones, and we asked the man behind us what time was it. He told us 8:40, so we thought, oh, this express queue looks like it could be quite long. So we left, and that's what we told you on the last one. We got the Hogwarts Express over, it was no wait at all. James went in Louis' Pizza and said, alright, it's 20 past, let's go over and make our way over to the New York area to watch the show. I said, are you sure it's still on, James? I can't see any people, there's no crowds over there or anything. I looked at the actual clock, like a universal clock, and it's only 20 past 8. The man in the queue told us an hour earlier than it actually was. But he was wearing a watch and a phone and still told us the wrong time. I have no idea, but I glanced at his phone to like see if I could see the time. And it was written in like 7:28 or something. I honestly baffling. So now we're an hour early, so I think we'll maybe go on the Mummy or Transformers is 10 minutes. We walked on the Mummy and Transformers. Got about an hour now before the show, so we may do Simpsons because we haven't done that yet. Do you think you'd be motion sick on that? Because that one does scare you a little bit, doesn't it?
I'll give it a go, and if I'm sick, I'll just be sick on you.
Just be sick on me, thank you.
Let's go.
Together, the emotional power of cinematic music through the timeless movies we love.
Back to the room. It's 11:45, no, 11:55 now. We watched CineSational, it was really good. James was a little bit disappointed, as was I, even though I just enjoyed the water show because there were no drones tonight. Not quite sure why, because it wasn't windy or anything, but a bit disappointed with that, but I enjoyed the show for what it was anyway, and the fireworks. So we're gonna vlog off. It's late, we're up early tomorrow for our day in Epic Universe, so au revoir, no star, and ta-ra!